Today, we're going to talk about something that so many of us feel, that dating can be this absolutely exhausting performance. We're going to explore a secret to connection that has nothing to do with chasing or trying so hard and everything to do with the magnetic power of just your presence. So let's just dive right in, shall we? Does this feel familiar? You're out on a date and you feel like you're constantly on stage. You have to be the funniest, tell the best stories, look perfect. It's a lot, right? Well, if you're nodding along, you are definitely not alone. There's actually a name for this feeling. It's called the performance trap. It's this idea we've all kind of bought into, that we need to do something big and spectacular to get someone interested. And honestly, it's draining. And as we're about to see, it usually doesn't even work. And this performance trap, it shows up in really common ways. That pressure to be the constant entertainer, to have these incredible stories ready to go, or projecting this image that you're just so busy and important, even playing hard to get. All of these are about doing something to get a certain reaction. But here's where we're going to flip the script. What if we've been looking at this all wrong? What if the key to a real, deep connection isn't about adding more to your act? What if it's not about doing more, but about simply being more? And that leads us to this incredibly powerful idea, presence. Now, this is not a tactic, it's not a game you play, it's a state of being. It's what happens when a woman is just genuinely comfortable in her own skin. And when she is, she naturally creates this bubble of emotional safety around her. Okay, so this sounds great, but how do we actually get there? Well, it really boils down to three core pillars. First, cultivating a calm, intentional energy, slowing down, not rushing. Second, having warm, relaxed eye contact that isn't searching for anything, it's just sharing a moment. And third, and this is a big one, getting comfortable with relaxed silence. And you can really see the difference in energy here. On one side, you have performing, which is all about chasing, controlling, filling every silence. It's anxious, right? But on the other side, you have being. It's about allowing, sharing, and feeling secure. It's this grounded, calm energy that just naturally pulls people in. So what is the secret sauce here? Why is this kind of energy so magnetic? Well, it all comes down to one absolutely crucial thing: creating emotional safety. This is the real reason presence is so incredibly powerful. Get this because it's fascinating. Your energy is speaking volumes before you even say a word. A man's nervous system literally reads your vibe in milliseconds. It's a primal thing. Long before his conscious mind kicks in, he's either feeling tense and guarded or safe and drawn to you. It's pure biology. So when you show up with that presence, a few things happen almost instantly. That calm energy and warm eye contact, it immediately starts to lower his guard. It builds trust. That eye contact specifically helps his brain release oxytocin, the bonding hormone. You're literally creating the perfect conditions for a real connection to just happen. There's a line in the source material that just hits the nail on the head. When a man is with a woman who is just present, who isn't performing or testing him, it feels like he can finally breathe. That's emotional safety in action. You're giving him the room to just be himself, which is such a huge relief in a world where he feels like he has to perform too. Okay, so how can you tell if this is actually working? When a guy feels that sense of safety, his body is going to give you clear, often involuntary signals that a real connection is starting to form. So you'll start to notice these little things. A soft, genuine smile that isn't forced. His eyes might look a little gentler, more open. He'll hold your gaze a little longer. His voice might even get a bit softer, and you'll see him physically lean in. These aren't things he's deciding to do, they're automatic responses to feeling safe and connected. And here's the really big one, beyond just body language. His effort starts to change. In an environment that feels safe and attractive, that frustrating hot and cold behavior starts to fade away. It's replaced by a steady, consistent effort, because being with you feels genuinely good and grounding. All right, so you're probably thinking, I'm in. How do I do this? How do we actually practice presence and cultivate this magnetic quality in our everyday lives? First, and this is the most important rule of all, this has to be real. Authenticity is everything. The second this becomes a tactic or a script you're following to get a guy, it loses all of its power. People can sense when you're not being genuine, so this has to come from an authentic place. So here are three super simple, practical things you can do to build this presence muscle. 1, practice daily stillness. Just 5 minutes a day, no phone, no distractions, just sit quietly. 2, practice active listening. When someone is talking to you, actually listen instead of just planning what you're going to say next. And 3, practice everyday eye contact. With a barista, with your friends, just hold it a second longer than you normally would. And the result of all this, it's a complete shift in your dynamic. You actually stop chasing connection. You stop performing for it. And instead, you create this incredible space where it just naturally starts flowing to you. You get to allow it instead of constantly pursuing it. So I'll just leave you with this to think about. What kind of connection, what kind of person could you attract into your life if you finally let go of the need to chase and you just started being?